Hello YouTube, today I will show you how to change the copyright text in the WordPress themes, especially free themes makes pretty much impossible to change the copyright text, but don't worry, after watching this video you will be able to change the copyright text in any WordPress theme. So further ado, let's move into the video. So let's go to the dashboard and you should add a plugin. The plugin is Real Time Find and Replace. So let's install this plugin. Now go to tools and here is the plugin. So first let's visit our website. So now let's right click and go to the view page source. Let's copy this and press Ctrl F and you will see the text. Here is our text. So let's copy this all with the code. Run copy div, click on add and paste it. Now let's go to the post and add new in a different tab. Suppose I want to replace with this text. Now go to the text and copy this and paste it here. Now click on update setting. Now just go to the website and refresh. Yes, we have made change successfully. Now by any reason, if the footer text comes back, then you should repeat the same process. This plugin is not only useful to replace the copyright text, but it is useful for many other different reasons also. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like and subscribe.